Hello everyone, welcome back to Mind Quest with Akshita. Today we're going to be talking about quantum manifestation. What if I told you that who you think you are is exactly what's keeping you from becoming who you truly are? What if your reality isn't fixed but waiting for you to change it by changing yourself? So, in the quantum world, nothing is truly solid. Atoms are made of energy, and energy, when observed, becomes reality. This is the foundation of quantum manifestation. The idea that you are not a victim of your life, rather, you are its creator. The quantum truth. According to quantum physics, everything in our physical world exists first as pure potential, waves of infinite probabilities. Nothing becomes real until it is observed. This is called the observer effect. This means that your attention, your awareness is the very force that collapses energy into matter. So, in other words, where your attention goes, where your energy flows, reality forms. Identity is a habit. By midlife, 95% of who we are is just memorized thoughts, programs, emotional patterns, and subconscious habits. We wake up and we think the same thoughts, feel the same feelings, do the same things, actions, and then we wonder why nothing changes. In the book, Breaking the Habit of Being Yourself by Dr. Joe Dispenza, he calls this the habit of being yourself. And here's the twist. Your identity isn't fixed. It's just a program and you can rewrite it. Thought plus emotion is equal to state of being. Your thoughts are the language of the brain. Your emotions are the language of the body. When you align both, when you think and feel in harmony, you create a new state of being. And here's the magic. When your state of being shifts, your electromagnetic signature shifts. You begin sending out a new signal into the quantum field, and that field responds back to you. Not to your wants, but to who you are being. Meditate to become familiar. In Tibetan, the word meditate means to become familiar with. Meditation then is the process of becoming familiar with a new self. So, when you sit in meditation and mentally rehearse a new way of being, your brain doesn't know the difference between what's real and what's imagined. It begins wiring new circuits to fire as if the event has already happened. And when you emotionally feel it, as if your new self is already real, your body believes it too. That's when the universe starts to mirror the change. Gratitude, the gateway emotion. Gratitude is one of the highest frequencies you can embody. Why? Because when you're grateful, you're telling your body, it already happened, I'm already there. So, instead of hoping for a new reality, you begin living as if it's already true. You stop living by the emotions of the past and start creating from the elevated emotions of the future. From cause and effect to causing an effect. Most people live in a state of cause and effect. They wait for something out there to change how they feel in here. But quantum creators reverse that. They understand that if I change my inner world, my thoughts, emotions, frequency, my state of being, then the outer world will respond to match it. So, you're no longer living in survival, rather, you're living in creation. Just like a farmer tends to the soil, you must cultivate your new identity every single day. This means detaching from your past personality. A certain awareness is required to see your old patterns cropping up. Rehearsing your future self. It's important to commit and practice to who you're becoming and who you would like to be. Living in alignment with your elevated emotions. The frequency has to be maintained in order for creation to occur. Observing the old patterns without becoming them. This again boils back to awareness, a lot of self-awareness and reflection. And eventually, you won't have to try to be that person, you will just be it. Quantum manifesting isn't magic, it's mastery. It's remembering that you are not just a body with a brain, you're a consciousness using them to create your reality. So, are you ready to break the habit of being yourself and embody the version of you who already lives the life you desire? Start today. Begin with awareness, practice with intention, and live as if it's already done. Don't forget to like, comment your thoughts below. What do you think about manifestation? What do you think about breaking the habit of being yourself? Have you read the book? Let me know down in the comments below. Subscribe for more videos on manifestation, psychology, and other important aspects of the mind.